This is a pass you really need. It's gonna get you on a lot of transportations here in Japan relatively cheap. This hotel has no elevators and everything's through a key code. That's neat. You don't need a room key. Let's see what the room looks like. Oh, automatic lights, flip-flops. This is a tiny room. Little closet. Am I on an airplane? This looks like an airplane lavatory. That's how small this is. Towels, beds. That's it. Little TV, little fridge. That is it. That's all this hotel room has to offer. I found this hotel and it was ranked really high for cleanliness and people were really friendly. And the neighborhood it's in is my kind of place. I'll show you guys when it's light out, but I saw like a bunch of mysterious temples and a school that literally looks like something that popped out of an anime. The key thing here is this hotel is really inexpensive. Each night here is only about 80-90 US dollars, and it was the cheapest thing I could find in Kyoto that actually looked really clean. I don't plan to be spending a lot of time in my room, so just need a place to sleep. Look at this. This bathroom has a ledge, so in the middle of the night when I'm trying to go to the bathroom, I might literally just fall. I made it to Kyoto and I'm already in love with the city. It's ancient architecture everywhere, tons of temples, tons of shrines. This is my type of place. I'm going out at night and check this place out. This is a Shinto shrine and there are a lot of stuff happening inside. Let's go check it out. This is So Inuyasha. This is the shrine to a fox god or goddess. In Chinese mythology, fox is actually considered really evil, and any sort of fox demon or fox spirit is considered not good. Everybody dressed up, kimono, beautiful. This looks like some sort of wishing shrine. You see a lot of, I can sort of read this. This is more about, I think, finding love because, well, the heart-shaped tablets kind of gave that away. Also, the word yuan, which means kind of connecting two lovers together. So something about guys and gals. I'm thinking this is some kind of wish I can find a girlfriend or boyfriend shrine. So my Japanese friends tell me you buy a tablet from here, and then you bring it to that shrine over there, and then you knock on a gong 3 times, and then your wishes will come true. If it only were so easy. Just found out that this is actually a UNESCO site. Also, the reason they're wearing kimonos, I thought it was just because it's the holidays, but apparently in Kyoto, people wear kimonos just as regular clothing, which I find awesome. That is tremendously cool. This whole area, this is called Yakaza Genza, and just a series of shrines and what looks like temples, and people are making their wishes right now. They're ringing those bells 3 times. She's having a go. Can I do it? I'm gonna do it. Wait, I'm doing something wrong. That may have been more than 3 times. That was horrible. Every day.
Every day, no. Special day. Special day.
Oh,
Yeah.
look great. Awesome, beautiful. This is Yasakadori, the main street in Kyoto. This block is where the Yasaka Ginza is, and apparently there's more temples inside that because it's dark, it's closed off, but hopefully we'll find some time and go take a look. That street over there is called Kiyon. It means, well, it basically means Yakitori Street. So there's a lot of places for yakitori over there and bars. This is Haramiguchi. This is, I think, one of the most traditional streets here in Kyoto. This is so awesome. This is called Anime Street or Drama Street because the whole street has been featured in so many animes and dramas. Check this out. You got the willow trees on the side, sakura trees. This street is McDonald's. I'm loving it. This is so gorgeous. It's got a little creek, and then all the houses are over there and people are just chilling, eating. And I hear it's really expensive purely because of its location, which I understand. You gotta pay money to be inside an anime. This is the restaurant where this anime is based off. They make whatever you want. So, I mean, it's like the magical food genie of restaurants. Something really funny. The patrons at this place, they wanted to buy me drinks because I look like Jackie Chen. Did not know that I could score me free drinks. Of course, I don't drink, so maybe they can buy me their money. This was gifted to me. A little chair made from a champagne cork. The person who gave it to me thought I looked like Jackie Chan. I'm gonna accept this because he looks like, I don't want to stereotype, but he looks like he's connected, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna accept this with a smile. In front of a restaurant, got this water. You're supposed to take it and pour it around. Good luck. There we go. I think I just saw a couple of geishas. Going in, I don't know, that a restaurant? I don't know what that is. I think I saw a couple of geishas. That's all I'm saying. Just there. I'm always an advocate of when you go to a different place, try the local food. Don't waste your meals on things you can get back home. But all of a sudden, had a craving for this, and this is really good. Beautiful cumin flavor, nice and spicy, hits the spot. Also, I got a bowl of suan la fen, sour and spicy mung bean noodles. I mean, look at this thing. It looks like the lava from Mount Moldor. I realize I have a real love-hate relationship with Kyoto. I love the feel of it because it feels so ancient. You can walk in the little alleyways and feel like you're walking in ancient Japan. I literally feel like some samurai is gonna jump out at me like in the middle of the street. But what I don't like about it is that late at night, it's just everything just becomes really seedy. You see a ton of shady characters everywhere. I swear a lot of people around me in the bars, in the little alleyways, back alleyways, little restaurants, they're all Yakuza members. But there's definitely no denying the charm of this ancient capital, and I really love it here. All right guys, thank you all so much for watching. See you.